Wow, look at there. Twins. No, not really. What we got here is a couple of Beretta pistols. I bought this one here, it's been probably a couple years back through AIM Surplus. And it's a 32 auto. It's the Beretta 81. Really nice shape, as you can see there. It's in really nice condition. And this one I just picked up. I got this from DWJ Imports in Glasgow, Kentucky. And I bought that on Gunbroker. I paid about twice as much for this one as I did for this one. Of course, this one is the 32 automatic. This one is a 38 auto. This one, this one came, well, the auction stated it came with a magazine. I didn't get one with it, and I messaged them. They're going to send me one out tomorrow. But this one will have a 13 round double stack magazine with it. And this one, I believe, it's also a double stack. I believe it's a 12. I believe that's a 12 round. Of course, then you got one in the chamber, so you know you could carry 13 here and 14 in this one here. So they're both nice little guns. You know, some people think, well, you know, I don't want to carry a 380. Most people don't want to go below 9mm, but you know, when you've got 14 rounds, I mean, that makes a difference too. So, but I wanted to show you these. This one, you can tell it looks quite a bit nicer. Somebody's colored in the lettering on this. I don't think it came that way. This one is not like that, but I may do that to this because I do like the looks of that. And there's not too much difference between them. This being the Beretta 81, and this is the Beretta 84F. I know one of the main ways you can tell them apart. The 81 has the rounded trigger guard, with this one here is more squared off. You can see. And this, the 84F also has a decocker on it. The safety acts as a decocker also, and it does not on the 81. So, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to tear this one apart, and I'm going to give you a little better look at it here. As you can see, the condition of it is just, you know, I mean, it's clean. Somebody has cleaned it, and it's in nice shape. But you can tell it's had some use. You know, somebody's carried it, and it's beat up a little bit. But what I want to try to do is make this one look as nice as this one. So I've got a process that I use. I'm not going to go through it all in this video, but I had recently uploaded a video on a 1873 Springfield trapdoor rifle, and I show the whole process there on how I kind of brought it back to life. And I've done that with several guns now, and it really makes a difference. So that's one worth watching if you have any interest in that. Again, I'll try to put a link in this video for that if you want to see it. But anyway, I will get to work on this, and then I'll be right back. Okay, all finished up and back together. Turned out pretty good. I don't know that, you know, I'd say looks as nice as the other one, but it definitely looks a lot better. I did highlight the lettering. As you can see, this one was done with white, but I didn't have any white. I had some silver, and I did it with the silver, and you know, it's still easy to read, and I don't know that I like that standing out as much on that one. I don't know, but I'm pretty happy with that. Turned out pretty nice. So I might get some different grips for it later. Something else I realized, you know, I said I was waiting on the magazine for the 380. I think I called it a 38 earlier in the video. It's a 380. But the magazine for the 32 will take 380 cartridges. So I put some of those in there, and I actually popped them in there and cycled them through, and seemed to work fine. So evidently those magazines are interchangeable. But you can see it says 32 right on that one. But it worked, so we'll see. Maybe I'll use that if I decide to shoot this thing before my magazine arrives for it. So, well, hey, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Again, the process that I use is explained in detail in my other video on the 1873 Springfield trapdoor rifle, and I'll put a link to it here that you can click on at the end of this video if you like. Thanks for watching, guys.